Sit comfortably with your legs closed. Keep your back stretched and relax your shoulders. Place your hands on your kidney and close your eyes. Breathe slowly and feel calm and peaceful. Lay on your back and hold your feet with your hands. Lay on your back and hold your feet with your hands. Gently pull your kidney toward the floor. Rock side to side slowly and relax. This pose release stretch and feels playful. Sit down and bring the soles of your feet together. Hold your feet and gently move your kidney up and down. Keep your back stretched and breathe deeply. This pose improves flexibility and relax your body. Bring your kidney close to your chest and hug them gently. Relax your lower back and breathe slowly. This pose helps release tension and improve decisions. Stay here and feel calm and comfortable. Sit and lift your legs up, balancing on your hips. Stretch your arm forward and keep your back stretched. Engage your core and hold the position. This pose blends stretch and improves balance. Stand tall and slowly bend forward. Lift one leg up towards the sky. Keep your balance and breathe steadily. This pose improves flexibility and focus. Lay on stomach and push your upper body up. Keep your legs stretched and chest open. Look slightly upward and breathe deeply. This pose stretch your spine and boost energy.